As you can see right now, guys and gals, passengers with different bus assigned for them are now having a quick dinner break here in Ginayangan, Quezon Province. I spotted good food, good viand rather, but I don't like their rice because it's some kind of a malata. When you say malata, it's not well cooked and it's some kind of a like a wet. It's not a bog hog or a well cooked. That's why. So I feel like to eat, but I'd rather not to eat because of the rice they will gonna serve.